Good afternoon. It's Roy. Over at my brother's house again today. What is today? August 27, right? I think, yeah.
Something like that.
So my brother's got a couple items that he's going to put on his 21 Triumph Tiger 900 GT. And I'll show you what he's got. One of the items that my brother's got, on his back fender here, there's a hole here. And it kind of slings up mud and stuff, or just road debris when it's wet, you know, and stuff like that. So this gets all water. So he asked a friend of his to make something for him on a 3D printer, and his friend made that, and just out of plastic.
Yep, it's just 3D printed.
3D printed, and it snaps in there a little bit, and when he gets ready to do it, he's just going to put a little bit of silicone around the edge of it there, and it'll seal it right up in there. He doesn't know if he's going to do that today or not, because it might go out riding, so he'll do it on a day when, you know, when it's raining, so it'll have time to dry. So we're back. So I'll let my brother discuss what he made himself here on the front of his handlebars on his.
Yeah.
So it's basically just a regular fanny pack, right?
It's just an $8 fanny pack off of Amazon. Make sure you get ones that are short and thin, right? And then we cut the strap off, and we just bought some of the Velcro straps, the mini Velcro straps, and sewed them on. So there's some there, and there's a couple on the back side.
It's thin enough so he can put his wallet in there, so he's not sitting on his wallet. Throw his phone in there if it starts raining, and whatever.
Fit a pack of smokes.
You know, pack of smokes for his woman. You know, she smokes or whatever. So, and it's thin enough, and it's waterproof. You said, or water resistant.
Yeah, I bought a water-resistant one.
Yep. So, you know.
So if it starts to pour, I can put my phone in there without it getting soaked, and you don't have to keep opening up your top box.
Yeah.
It's pretty easy.
Because nobody has one really, right? So.
They do, but they're all meant to be on this side.
Yep.
Not on the opposite side.
Right.
The problem is I have this here.
There ain't much room to put anything there either.
Exactly, because it'll be sitting right on top of your keys.
Yep. So, yeah, so he made that, you know, that's one thing. And then another thing he's putting on are these
hand guard.
Yeah,
They're like,
they're the raised rubber ones, right?
yeah, it's resin.
Yeah, resin or whatever.
Yep.
That'll go on his hand guards here.
They're designed to go on the stock ones, not the storm busters. They're designed to go on the stock ones because of the little spots right here.
Yep.
Okay?
Yep, so they're all cut out to match
Yep.
the stock ones.
You can get them on Amazon now, but it's actually an Italian-based company. The only one that sells these.
How much?
The conversion ends up being like $35
Okay.
for the resin, but that's the going rate for all resin.
Yep.
I figured we'll just get a couple on and then we'll show you how they look.
All right. So he's cut out a piece. I think, because I was looking at it like it looks cockeyed, but it ain't, because that comes out, that protrudes out, don't it?
Yep.
So, all right. That work?
That's about perfect, I think.
Yeah. Just go around and push it all down.
Looks pretty good to you?
Looks pretty good. Yeah.
I'm not gonna get much better than that.
Yeah. So that's how you put it on. We'll be back once he gets them all on to show you the final version. All right, we're back. He's got them all on. Let's see here. Can I zoom in here? There you go. Yeah. Looks pretty good.
Don't forget to zoom off to the side of it for the ride.
Oh, yeah. And then, you know, The one decal comes, Jesus. The one decal comes all the way around. Looks pretty good.
Came out pretty good?
Yeah. Gives it a little contrast there.
It's the widest the bike is, so you got something sticking out from the sides, you know, from you can see.
And it's different, you know, a little different than just the white in the grays. You know, it's a different, darker gray, it's a different gray. So it gives it a little bit of different contrast. So yeah, looks pretty good. Yep. So that'll be it for today on that. What? Oh, I'm gonna. So if you like this video, give a thumbs up. Leave a comment below on, I don't know, if you like these or if you're interested in anything on this bike.
Or if you're interested, let us know. We could share the link to Amazon where they are.
Yep, could always do that. Just leave a comment below, and you know, if I can't answer, I'll get him to answer. And looking for some new subscribers, so if you're not a subscriber, please subscribe.
Tell your friends.
Tell your friends. Hit the bell so you're notified of new videos that come out. And I'll see you next time. Thanks, bye.
1 week later.
Okay, it's a couple days later from whenever I did the video. So this little, what do you want to call this thing? I don't know what the hell you want to call it.
I was gonna say rear fender hole plug.
Yeah, what, yeah.
Hole plate.
Well, whatever. There used to be a hole in the rear fender there. So a friend of his made this on a 3D printer. And so he finally mounted it in there today. He put it in hot water.
Yeah, just hot water.
Hot water to give it a little bend, to form a little bend, and it pops in there. So that's the finished product. And then so that'll stop from some of the mud and the sloppy when we're riding in the rain and the stuff coming out of there and coming up and slopping all over the place.
Oh yeah, because it was making a mess underneath here.
Yep. So looks pretty good. All right.